Sometimes I doubt the path I chose. Sometimes my dreams feel no longer. There's no doubt that this will make me strong, 'cause it's the hardest thing I've ever done. Despite this cruel world and all my best efforts, you surprise me with just how perfect you are. Even with all my flaws and my bad examples, you surprise me with just how perfect you are. And when I'm lost, you say